भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्टिकी ग्रंथ श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, सब इकट्ठे भक्तों की जय। हरे कृष्णा। No matter what religion is taken, everywhere the glories of chanting is there. नानक दुखिया सब संसार चढ़े सो उतरे पार। Hare Krishna. Those who will make lot of noise will have to do homework 10 to 11 tonight. You ready? Oh, Gundu is. Frankly speaking, we are extremely fortunate. It's like, some patient with a wound and each drop of blood is dropping. Can the person enjoy something? How will he enjoy? Therefore Krishna said Dukkhalem ashashvatam. Lekin Krishna also said Brahmabhut prasannatma na shochati na kamshati. In that situation also one can be prasanna. This is the beauty of Krishna consciousness. Despite all problems, Krishna gives the courage somehow or other to bear it. Sometimes I wonder, those who don't believe on God, how they are managing a suffering. Because there is nobody to fall back on. You are taking all the problems on your head only. I will only sort it out. It's impossible. Impossible. This name itself is, this lok name is famous name. है नहीं, इस लोक का पहले एक और वर्ड है, मृत्यु लोक। भगवान का शरीर ट्रांसेंडेंटल होता है, बट फॉर लीला से इवन ही शोड दैट ही इज लिविंग फ्रॉम हियर। तो हमारे तो क्या बस की बात है। हर प्रोडक्ट पे सुपरमार्केट में एक्सपायरी लिखी रहती है, तो हमारे को ही हमारी नहीं पता है बस। So many times we have seen, doctors have said, बस 3 महीने बचे हैं। The person has survived for 30 years or 3 years or 13 years. So many cases we have seen. So therefore, सांस चलाने वाला वही है, उसके भरोसे रहना चाहिए। So coming back to, see one small example of sadhu sangha. What happened in the West? You must have heard of this. There was one Rath Yatra was being taken out in the West. And when the Rath Yatra was happening, there was one person. So he mingled in the Rath Yatra. And he was completely first time. Never came before. After Rath Yatra was over, he went to the temple president. He said, I want to know what all you do. Temple president said, you want to know what we do? Then you have to stay with us. You have heard. This is a real life story. This is not a fiction. So then you stay with us. He said, yeah, I'm ready. So he shaved off. He had got into Brahmachari ashram. Morning 4:30 Mangala he is doing. After that Bhagavatam, after that Prasadam, after that all programs are happening one by one. And night Shayan again like that. 3 months happened. Then one day what happened? There was police. They were searching for somebody. Somebody who had done some big crime. So they came to the temple also. So they went to the temple president. They said, have you seen this person? They had the photo. अरे ये तो वही है जो 3 महीने पहले आया था. But temple president, Tadami buddhi yogam tam yena mahamu piyantite. Devotees are given real intelligence. In this translation, Prabhupada says it's not intelligence. Normal intelligence is material intelligence. हाँ भाई सब खैरियत है. Okay. So he realized this is the guy who is staying here for 3 months, and that means we are harboring a criminal. So he said, okay, you do one thing, you leave the photo behind, I will find out. If I see him, I will report to you. So the police went. After police went, temple president called this person. He said, look, police came today and they are searching for you. You have done crime? He said, yes, I accept. I am very sorry about it also. He said, okay, tomorrow we are going to police station. He said, sir, they will put me in the jail. You are saying, Hare Krishna. Aiye. Hare Krishna. So, he said, sir, please don't do this. He said, no, let's go to the police station because I have a moral duty. I cannot harbor a criminal, number one. Number two, police is looking for it. And you are here, staying here for 3 months. Anyway, he said, okay, sir. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. We will go to the police. We just remembering one katha. There was a Rath Yatra. One person joined. He stayed with the temple. And later police came to search for a criminal. He showed the photo to the temple president and it was this person. He has been staying for 3 months there. So temple president said, tomorrow morning we have to go, Prabhu. There is no choice on this. I cannot do something illegal. He said, okay. So they both went. So the head police was sitting there. He said, oh, first of all, he didn't recognize only because he was completely shaven. He said, Prabhuji, you have come. What happened? How come you are here in police station? He said, no. Yesterday you were showing that photograph. Yeah, so he said, so? He said, I got that person. He said, where? He said, sir, yeah. Because he could not recognize completely shaven, white clothes, brahmachari. He said, oh, you are the one? He said, yes. You did the crime? He said, yes. So he said, you will get punishment. But before I decide on punishment, can you tell me what do you do there? In the temple, what do you do? He said, sir, nothing much. He said, no, I would like to know. Head police station say, SHO, right? He said, sir, nothing. 4 o'clock we have to get up. 3:34. We have to take bath. He said, 4:30 you get up? He said, this is too much. He said, after that what do you do? He said, we sing for the Lord. And then we do Prabhupada Aarti. And after that we have later on some prasad and then Bhagavatam. He said, prasad, huh? Okay, what do you do in prasad? He said, no. We don't take non-vegetarian. Huh? You don't take non-vegetarian? What else do you don't take? He said, sir, we don't take non-vegetarian, we don't take liquor. He said, liquor also you don't take? He said, yeah, that also we don't take. And then we don't do illicit sex also. And what else? Huh? No gambling also we do. He said, no gambling also? He said, yeah. Yes, sir, this is very tough life for you. He said, yeah, but we are doing it every day. He said, sir, what about this person? He said, I think more than the punishment we can give, you have already given him for 3 months. Before I change my mind, you please go away from here. Otherwise, there will be problem. He said, it is impossible to stay like this. So this is the effect of Sadhu Sangha. Just by the association, the atoms are transferred, transcendental atoms are transferred. This was, I thought it will be good to share. So where were we? We were in the Dhruv Maharaj Katha. So Dhruv Maharaj Katha, where were we? What all did we say? Let's quickly recap, so it will be good to hear. Yes.
Last session I missed, Prabhu.
That is okay.
Dhruv Maharaj came back, Prabhu. Dhruv Maharaj came back.
Sorry. Yeah.
Dhruv Maharaj came back.
Dhruv Maharaj came back. He was given darshan of Lord Hari. And why did he come to the jungle?
Because of, like let's say, he was want to sit on father's lap.
Father's lap he wanted to sit. He was Uttanapad, grandson of Brahma. And what happened when he was trying to go on the lap?
Then Suruchi said he had to take.
So he had two wives, Suniti and
Suruchi.
we also have Sumati Kumati Sabke Ur Rahi. Ram Tulsidas ji writes, Sumati and Kumati Sabke Ur Rahi. In everybody's heart, both the things are there. Jahan Sumati, wahan Sampati Nana. Where there is Sumati, there is lot of opulence. Hare Krishna. Jahan Kumati, wahan Vipati Nidana. Where there is Kumati, there is lot of trouble. So like this, we also have Suniti and Surichi, two wives sitting inside. Of course, third one is outside. But two are sitting inside. This one you want to do or this one? Every time there is a discussion. Every decision making. Duality. ये करें कि वो करें. Sometimes तो पता ही नहीं पड़ता कि mind is talking or intelligence is telling. So much bodily concept. I cannot differentiate. This is my mind or intelligence. Then Krishna from inside he will say, क्या कर रहे हो? Then you can. So Surichi said, what? You cannot sit on the lap. Why? Because
You have to take birth from.
you have to take birth from my womb. Meaning you should die first. And then he goes to his mother. Mother says what? Suniti says what? Hare Krishna. Mother says what? Suniti says something. Your mother is?
Saying correct.
Is right. You want to do this? Suruchi also says you should ask Lord Hari that you should be born from my womb. And so Suniti says, yeah, your mother is right. You should ask Lord Hari. And he goes and he decides. And then who comes? Narad Muni comes. And Narad Muni says, बच्चे ये मत करो. Why? Because अगर you are too young. He said, मैं क्षत्रिय हूँ, decide कर लिया, करके छोड़ूंगा. But if you are so much intelligence, then you should know that you are reaping your own past karmas. Why are you blaming others? He said, sir, इतना knowledge मुझे नहीं है, मैं करके छोड़ूंगा. If you want to help me, you help me. He said, okay. Then he gave him the Maha Mantra of Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And then he realized Krishna in 6 months. 5-year-old boy. I think he is the transcendental world में Guinness World Book Record. 6 महीने में प्राप्ति हो गई उसको. And he was given what? That? कौन सा kingdom? Dhruvaloka. Dhruvaloka is where Vishnu ji resides to maintain this universe. But it did not have a deity. And all the planets are circumambulating this one. Even sun is traveling, I think at 16,000 miles per second. And circumambulating that. He said, I will give you that. And he had some not so good feeling towards mother also. So Lord Hari said, your other brother who was sitting at that time on the lap, he will go to the jungle and yakshas will kill him. And later on Suruchi will go searching for the boy and she will get burnt in the forest fire. After this, he goes back.
Suruchi picks him.
He goes.
Suruchi picks him up.
Suruchi picks him up. And she says, long live my boy. And there is this verse comes. Please repeat. Yasya prasanno bhagavan gunair maitre adhibhir harihe tasmai namanti bhutani nimnamapa eva swayam. यस्य प्रसन्नो भगवान, जिसने भगवान को प्रसन्न कर लिया है, गुणेर मैत्री Adhibhir Harihi. Maitri means friendship. Harihi means Lord Hari. One who has done the friendship of Lord Hari, who has got gunair, who has got transcendental qualities because of friendship with Lord Krishna. Yasya prasanno Bhagwan, and if Lord Hari is prasanna, tasmai namanti bhutani. Tasmai namanti और भूतानी. जहां पे कृपा राम की होए तापे कृपा करे सबको. Why is it so? Somebody can ask. इसमें क्या है ना, भागवतम इज क्वेश्चन आंसर. क्वेश्चन खूब पूछने चाहिए, ऑफ कोर्स विद द राइट एटीट्यूड, है ना. दैट्स व्हाट भगवत गीता टेल्स. क्यों भाई, ऐसा क्या हो जाता है सडनली? हाँ, वेरी गुड. पार्ट एंड पार्सल. एंड देन कृष्णा इज सिटिंग इनसाइड. सर्वस्व चाम हृदय सन्निविष्टो. सर्वस्व चाम हृदय सन्निविष्टो, मैं सबके अंदर बैठा हूं. तो ही डिक्टेट्स, तू ये करेगा, तू ये नहीं करेगा. जैसे दुर्योधन के टाइम पे कृष्णा ओनली हैज गॉन टू एक्सप्लेन टू हिम कि प्लीज मत फाइट करो, बट सिटिंग इनसाइड लॉर्ड हरि इज टेलिंग हिम इनकी मत सुनना. सेम प्रॉब्लम विद भीष्म, विद युधिष्ठिर महाराज. सी, देयर इज अ फैमिली, just for the rust's sake, there is a family disease, hereditary disease that was there. I am saying only for Ras only. This was there in Pandav's family. What was that? नहीं, that's not a disease. एक प्रॉब्लम है लाइफ में, पूरे पांडव फैमिली में. मैं सही कर रहा हूं कि नहीं कर रहा हूं. Arjun had this problem. Am I doing? Why should I fight? He was bewildered. I will not fight. Even if you tell, no, how can I fight? I'll go and beg. Same problem Yudhishthir Maharaj had. One had before the fight, one had after the fight. Yudhishthir Maharaj was guilty. इतने सारे मरवा दिए मैंने. Just because I had to become king. Then Krishna goes and explains to him, नहीं भैया, तुम्हारी नहीं है. Imagine if the kingdom is ruled by somebody who don't honor women. How can you let rule? You have to clean them up. You have to finish them off. You know, bed bugs, you cannot explain it to them. Please don't bite. Can you? Mosquito, can you explain? Please don't bite. Have mercy. No. They have to be finished. Similarly, such people have to be finished. But inside sitting, Yudhishthir, Lord Hari is telling, इसकी मत सुनना. He was still confused. He did not accept what Krishna is telling. And then Krishna told him, where will we go? Bhishma Pitama. You know why? Just in the lighter vein. In the entire Bhagavatam or Mahabharat, in the opposite side, Bhishma Pitama was the only one who had not given a Bhagavatam class. Everybody else had a chance to glorify Lord Hari. Whether be it Vidur, whether be it whosoever was there, they were glorifying Dashavatar. All devotees are telling this, that. But Bhishma did not have the chance because he was on the wrong side. So Krishna said, Bhai, he has a lot of devotion and this thing, you should hear. So anyway, so Yasya Prasanna Bhut Atma. Yasya Prasanna Bhagwan, उसमें क्या है? तस्मै नमन्ति भूतानी. एवरीबडी बाउज डाउन, बिकॉज अंदर से भगवान बोलते हैं ये इसको बाउ डाउन करो. तो चाहते हुए भी, चाहे नहीं चाहते हुए भी, हमें नहीं पता पड़ रहा कि भगवान कह रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली दैट डिक्टेशन इज हैपनिंग एवरी सेकेंड. अदरवाइज व्हेन यू मीट अ स्ट्रेंजर, सम ऑफ देम यू विल से यार दूर रहो, सम ऑफ देम यू विल से यार वेरी नाइसली यू विल मीट. व्हाई? बिकॉज इनसाइड देयर इज अ डिक्टेशन, भाई ये ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. Even among the devotees, if a sattvic, the one who is a pure devotee, if he meets a starting, उसको मजा नहीं आएगा, because अभी cleaning नहीं हुई है. So this is the challenge. Then what happens? Prabhupada writes That Bhagavatam tells us that then after that Dhruv Maharaj goes back to the kingdom and Suruchi picks him. Prabhupada writes, please repeat, it does not matter. No. Somehow or other, if one becomes Krishna conscious or Ram conscious, same thing. It does not matter what his motivation is in the beginning. He will eventually realize the real truth by the grace of Lord. You remember last time we discussed. So, I am also in the same boat. ये देव वो देव वो देव वो देव भगवान भी पक गए होंगे कितना देव इसको. One person was asking, भगवान ये देव ये देव ये देव. बोले जो दिया है वो तो खर्च ले पहले. वो तो अंदर रखा हुआ है, उसको स्पेंड कर नहीं रहा और दे दे. ए बच्चा लोग, so it doesn't matter. So far we are with the Mahamantra, with Lord names. So far we are with Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Ramayana. Then eventually we will realize the truth. That is a confirmation. Now, after that, he ruled for how many years? 36,000 years he ruled, because Krishna told him, without depleting his senses. आजकल पूछो ना प्रभु जी विश यू अ लॉन्ग लाइफ, तो क्या आंसर मिलता है? भैया तबीयत ठीक रहनी चाहिए तब तो लॉन्ग लाइफ ठीक है, अदरवाइज व्हाट विल वी डू विद लॉन्ग लाइफ? सो ही टोल्ड हिम 36,000 विद फुल powerful senses you can enjoy. And after 36,000 years he called his son. Actually he had one of the sons he did not want, so the second son was given. I think he is the one. Anyway, he gave the throne to his son, and then he goes. And then see what happens. Please repeat. Sadadrasha Vimanagram Nabaso Avataradhruvaha Vibhrajaya Dradash Disho Rakapatim Veditam Sadradash. दर्श का मतलब क्या होता है जी? He saw. Sadradash. Viman, aeroplane. Agrayam means beautiful. He saw a beautiful aeroplane coming, chartered flight. Vibhrajaya. Vibhrajaya means illuminating. That aeroplane was not like this one. Light switch on karo, ye karo, wo karo. It was already illuminating. Dradash disho. Dash means 10. Disha means दिशाएं. 10 directions it was illuminating. ये नहीं है जिधर सन है उधर से illumination हो रहा है, बाकी जगह डार्क है. And राकापतिम विवोदितम. जैसे राकापति means what? चंद्रमा. Just like the moon rises, like that the aeroplane avatarada. अवतार का क्या मीनिंग है? Incarnation. Bhagavatam tells that just like Krishna appears, Lord Ram appears, like that the aeroplane took incarnation. Avatarad. Just like how? Just like the full moon arises in the dark night. Like that, bright, he saw that. There were 2 pilots. Maybe that's why today also they have 2 pilots, I don't know. Bhagavatam tells there were 2 pilots in that aeroplane, and their name was Nanda and Sunanda. Now when suddenly they came out of the cockpit, they are the air hostess also. They came to welcome. Dhruv Maharaj didn't know how to welcome. He had first experience. Same thing had happened when Lord Krishna came. Lord Vishnu came to give him darshan. He didn't know what to speak, and then he touched his conch shell on the head. And then he started speaking. Yes. Similarly, when these 2 came out, He didn't know what to do. So what did he do? He folded his hands and he chanted Lord Hari's names. Meaning, if we meet somebody who have never met, the best welcome address is just you can welcome them with whatever names you like of Krishna. And then you can say. So they were very pleased. They said, we have come to take you to Vaikuntha Loka. Time ho gaya sir aapka, chalo. Ab udhar rule karna. The pilot said, meaning the Nanda Sunda said, your forefathers have also not achieved this. Because great grandfather is Brahmaji. Brahmaji is made of how much maximum? Up to this world. 3 planetary system. The Atal, Patal, Sutal, Talatal, Rasatal, Bhur, Bhuvar, Rasatal. Then after that what? Goes up to Satyalok. All this 14 planetary systems Brahmaji has made. He is telling even they have not achieved this. And where you are going is where Lord Vishnu personally resides. Please come and stay with us. And they said, please board the plane. Plane has been sent by Lord Vishnu himself. Maitri Muni continues, Bhagavatam tells. Immediately he did not board the plane. Dhruv Maharaj took bath, wore his ornaments, performed his spiritual duties. मतलब आरती, जितने राउंड्स करने थे, चैंटिंग, पूरा सब पहले कंप्लीट किया. बोले ये नहीं, आ गया भागो. Offered obeisances to the sages because he was in the forest after leaving and there were other transcendental sages. ये नहीं, अरे देखा, अरे तुम लोग तो कब से कर रहे हो, मुझे देखो. अब मैं जा रहा हूं. तुम लोग तो यहीं पे बैठे रहोगे. He paid obeisances and took their blessings. So he did not become puffed up. Then he worshipped the aeroplane and circumambulated it. Aeroplane की परिक्रमा एयरपोर्ट पे 20-30 kgs का चक्कर है ही नहीं वहां. He doesn't have to carry anything also. So therefore, because Viman is also an avatar, so he circumambulated. उनकी भी प्रदक्षिणा करी. Because Lord Hari's airplane, his abode, everything connected to him, paraphernalia is all spiritual and transcendental. That is why just trying to please Lord Hari is not sufficient. His devotees also, one should, of course, there are different moods of different devotees. It is not necessary this devotee will always have a similar mood with another devotee. It's okay, no problem, because Krishna's world has variety. They will have somewhere else, some other, but you will also find your own wavelength. Accordingly one should, because this service should not be done because by seeing others, he is also or she is also doing, therefore I will do. That's not the criterion for devotional service. ये सब वहाँ पे ये वाला काम करते हैं तो मुझे भी करना है. नहीं नहीं. What inborn quality has given to us, we should perform according to that. That is good enough. Like the squirrel, you remember, when Lord Ram, her service was taken as equal to Hanumanji's seva. Because uska capability utna hai. She is doing 100%. And then he paid dandavats to the associates. And at that time, Bhagavatam tells his body changed transcendental, spiritual it became. Just like Pandavas, when they leave finally for Vaikuntha Lok, their bodies, Prabhupada writes, self-same bodies were changed. Not that they left this body. This body itself was changed transcendental, non-decaying. From decaying to non-decaying. This. They went to Himalayas. The TV serials will tell that one by one they passed away, this, that. Bhagavatam doesn't say like that. Bhagavatam says very clearly in several purports and in several shlokas that each one of them, they reached Vaikuntha planet in their self-same bodies. This is the exact word used. And their body had changed transcendentally to spiritual. They didn't have to die. Even, like Brahma and all at the end of Kalp, it's not that they die and then Ram Naam Satya hai and body ko phookne ja rahe hain. No, they just, technically you can say it is death, but it changes to spiritual. So therefore, he also became one of the paraphernalia of the Vaikuntha Lok. Now let us see, one of the things we have put today is that in life, what is the role of Yamaraj? Now see what happens. Please repeat. Tadottana padah putro dadrashant kama agatam mrityo murdhina pad dattva aruroha adbhut graham. Tad uttanapad. Tad means then. Uttanapad putro. Uttanapad is his father's name. Putro is Dhruva Maharaj. Therefore, Dhruva Maharaj, Dadarshantакam. Dadarsh means darshan kiya. Antakam, personified death. Personified death he saw. He came as a person. Agatam. He is about to board the flight. Here is death personified. Mrityo murdhin pada dattva. Mrityo means death. Correct? Murdhini. Matajis will know. Murdhini. What is murdhini? The forehead, this head. Mrityo murdhini. At the head of the personified death. Pad means dattva. Diya. Dhruva Maharaj kept his feet on the head of the death personified. This is what devotees encounter. Death. Not that ventilator पे क्या करें, कर्मों के फल हैं तो भोगना पड़ेगा, हमें भी क्या कर सकते. मृत्यु मूर्धन पद दत्वा आरुरोह. आरूढ़ होना. He was about to go on to the Adbhut Graham. The aeroplane was like a graha. It was like a big villa. One more aeroplane is there where we see in Bhagavatam. Devahuti mein. He was given also a floating villa. There also. Same way here. Now you see. Now plane is about to start. Announcement वगैरह शुरू होने वाला है अभी. And then he says, Sacha Sarva Lokama Arokshan Sunitim Janani Dhruvaha. Sacha Swalokam Aroksham. Swalokam to the celestial planet. He is about to go to the Dhruva Loka. Aroksham, he is about to board the plane. That time what happened? Suniti Janani Dhruvaha. Anva Smarad. Smarad is what? Smarana. He remembered who? His mother. Suniti. Agam Hitva. He realized that he is leaving behind his mother. Dina Yasya Trivishtapam. He is about to, I will be going to 3 Vishtapam. Vishtapam means these 3 planetary, the top planetary system, the middle and the lower. That is this universe. Vishtapam means extension. Extension meaning he is about to go to the spiritual world, which is not this one. To the other one he is about to go. And at that time he immediately remembered his mother. Prabhupada writes, Suniti was his Shiksha Guru. According to Shastric injunctions, there is no difference between Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru. And generally the Shiksha Guru later on becomes the Diksha Guru. Generally that's what happens. Dhruva Maharaj wanted her mother to also go to the Vaikuntha planet. But Dhruva Maharaj also considered, how can I grant this boon to my mother? I am not Supreme Personality of Godhead. इच्छा तो आ गई, बट ही डज नॉट हैव द पावर टू लेट हिज मदर ऑल्सो ट्रांसफर टू द ट्रांसेंडेंटल प्लेटफॉर्म. Therefore, only if Krishna fulfilled his desire would it be possible. Now see something very, very something which is like a mystery. Prabhupada writes, Krishna could immediately understand his mind and he told Dhruva that his mother was also going with him. Krishna told him, तुम्हारी मां भी जा रही है. But see interestingly, Bhagavatam में what happens? Prabhupada writes, this incident proves that a pure devotee like Dhruv Maharaj can fulfill all his desires. By the grace of God, he becomes exactly like the Lord. एक बार भगवत दर्शन हो गया तो भगवान के जैसा ही पावर है बूंद देने के लिए. He got that power to give boon to his mother, though it will be sanctioned by Lord Hari. But see something interesting. Prabhupada writes, Krishna told told Dhruva that the word is there. He told Dhruva that his mother is going. But now see what is, he has not asked anyone so far. But Krishna has already told. Now see here. Please repeat. Iti vyavasitam tasya vyavasaya sarottamo darshayama asut devim puroyanena gacchatim. Iti vyavasitam. इस तरह से वो व्यवसितम means he was contemplating that I want my mother to go. Vyavasaya Surottama. The two pilots, Sunanda Sunand, they understood what is in the mind of Dhruv Maharaj. But before this shloka itself, Prabhupada writes that he was already told by Lord Hari that she is going. After this, they too have understood that he wants this. See how the connection is. And Darshayam Asutar Devim. Darshayam means Asatur. They showed him Devim, his mother, they showed him Puro Yanena. Yan is aeroplane. Puro, उसके पहले टेक ऑफ में उसका तो नंबर पीछे था, मदर का एरोप्लेन आगे था. अलग अलग चार्टर्ड फ्लाइट्स, नो कंजूसी देयर. एक में ही दोनों को बैठा के लेके जा सकते थे, राइट? क्या कह सकते. पुरो याने न गच्छतिम. तो नंद सुनंद ने कहा भाई आगे तुम्हारी मैया जा रही है, चिंता मत करो, तुम बैठो आराम से. कैन यू इमेजिन सुनीति हाउ शी वुड हैव रेलिश्ड. उसको भी बोला गया होगा, राइट? आप बैठो माता जी, आपका बच्चा आ रहा है पीछे. Can you imagine? This incident proves, Prabhupada writes, that Shiksha or Diksha Guru who has a disciple who strongly executes devotional service like Dhruv Maharaj can be carried by the disciple even though the instructor is not as advanced. Suniti was not that advanced. She only told, जाओ बेटा भगवान का प्रार्थना करो. But the devotee, the disciple is such that he has perfected devotional service and he is carrying the spiritual. Okay, Diksha Guru is carrying the Shiksha Guru. Diksha Guru तो already नारद जी हैं, तो वो तो घूमते ही रहते हैं, उनको तो कहीं ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. But the disciple is making it possible for the Shiksha Guru to go back. This is the beauty. Although Suniti was an instructor to Dhruv Maharaj, she could not go to the forest because she was a woman, nor could she execute austerities and penance as Dhruv Maharaj did. Still, Dhruv Maharaj was able to take his mother with him. Similarly, Prahlad Maharaj also delivered his atheistic father. तो भैया ये है. Prabhupada writes, please repeat. Okay, the conclusion is that a disciple or an offspring who is a very strong devotee can carry with him to Vaikuntha Loka either his father, mother or Shiksha or Diksha Guru. किसी को भी लेके जा सकता है. Prabhupada writes, the Krishna conscious movement is spreading now all over the world, and sometimes I think that even though I am crippled in many ways. If one of my disciples become as strong as Dhruv Maharaj, then he will be able to carry me with him to Vaikuntha Lok. श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय. क्या समय हो गया भाई? समय है आज तो भगवान ने दिया है. Bhagavatam tells when the aeroplane was moving, both the aeroplanes were going. वो देख रहे हैं ये वाला planet, ये वाला planet, ये वाला planet. The devatas are showering petals on the aeroplane. Possible है इधर? See, what is the proof this all has happened? जो कुछ भी यहाँ हो रहा है वो already spiritual world में हो चुका है. Then only it is, because it's a reflection. Actually हम सब उल्टे बैठे हुए हैं शीर्षासन में. Because Bhagavad Gita tells us we are upside down, banyan tree. तो एक्चुअली में वो उल्टे बैठे हुए, हमें लग रहा है हम सीधे. Okay. So Dhruv Maharaj surpassed the 7 planetary systems of the great sages who are also known as Saptarishis. वो भी पार किया. Beyond that region he achieved the transcendental situation where Lord Vishnu lives on the Dhruva planet. So Dhruv Maharaj ki. Now Maitri Muni continues. Who is eligible to go back to Godhead? He is summarizing now. Number 1, Bhagavatam tells only a merciful person can enter there, and second condition is constantly engaged in the welfare of others. यही लोग एंट्री है उनकी खाली. 2 conditions have to. One is merciful, constantly engaged in welfare. अभी कौन सा वेलफेयर? कॉन्स्टेंटली कौन सा वेलफेयर कर सकते हैं हम? हाँ, डिवोशनल सर्विस जो है, ओनली देन वन कैन बी मर्सीफुल टू द अदर्स. अदरवाइज देयर कैन, बिकॉज अनलेस at least in theory we know mamevanshu jiva loke jiva bhut sanatana, everybody is part and parcel of Krishna. तो मर्सी करना ही होगा ना फिर. That is one. And constantly, तिमि रघुनाथ निरंतर, constantly, प्रिय लागा है मोहे राम. Like that when it happens, that is one. Second, हाँ, ये बड़ा बढ़िया प्रभुपाद लिख रहे हैं. Even if one is not successful in reclaiming all the fallen souls, अभी merciful भी हो गए and constantly devotional service भी कर लिया, but one may not be successful in reclaiming all the fallen souls back to Godhead. Still, because the person is Krishna conscious, that person's path to Vaikuntha Lok is open. And if anyone follows such a devotee who has not taken anybody back home to Godhead, but who is fully Krishna conscious, if somebody follows such a devotee, that person also is allowed to enter. Acha ji, now today's question: can we please everybody? We cannot please. Correct. It's possible ही नहीं है. Let's see what Bhagavatam has to say about this. Yes, कैसे yes? Good answer. Good. But let's see what Bhagavatam has to say, and let's see some examples, and let's see how it works. Right? Because it's a fact, we cannot please everybody. But yes, if Krishna dictates from inside, later on that person might get pleased either of his own will or no choice. We will see. So second, one is merciful and constant devotional service. They can go back. Who else can go back? Shantaha, those who are peaceful. Samadarshi, those who are equipoised. Shuddha, those who are cleaned. Sarvabhuta Anuranjanaha, those who have pleased everybody. So Bhagavatam is telling, if you please everybody, you can go back to home. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Impossible. This is one of the conditions, that you should please everybody. then you go back to home. Well, possible ही नहीं है. I am not pleased with myself only, first of all. Forget others. That is the biggest problem. I am not pleased, I know it. So now, translation is, who can go back to Godhead? Who knows the art of pleasing all other living entities. It's one of the examples is this. Let us see some examples. See, in Diti's time, when she was attacked by the lust, and she forced Kashyap Muni to sleep with her, even though that time was not auspicious, and Kashyap Muni said no, but she forced because of so much lust. And at that time, after she was pregnant with Hiranyakashyap and Hiranyaksh, and then she realized her mistake, because at that time the Bhutas are Shivaji's disciples are running around, and they enter because Shivaji is very merciful, so he allows them to take birth and do some devotional service. So she repented. So then Kashyap Muni tells Diti, because of your lamentation, one of your son's son, your grandson, Prahlad Maharaj, will be an approved devotee of the Lord, and his fame will broadcast equally. After that, Kashyap tells Diti, please repeat, Yas yat prasadat idam vishwam prasidati yad atmakam. Yes, yat by whose prasadat, mercy of, idam this, vishwam, prasidati yat atmakam, everyone will be pleased with him. Kashyap Muni says, your grandson will come and your sons will be causing lot of disturbance, and Lord Hari will have to come and kill them. But your grandson will be such a devotee that he will be prasidati yat atmakam. He will be pleasing the entire universe. तो ऐसा कैसे कर लेंगे भाई? And everyone will be pleased with him, because the personality of Godhead, the supreme controller of the universe, is always satisfied with a devotee who does not wish for anything beyond him. So therefore he tells, because your grandson will be a big devotee, eventually the entire universe will be pleased with him. One of the examples, because Krishna sitting in everybody's heart will dictate that, and we can see that even his father, now somebody can say his father was not actually pleased with him, but eventually even he got liberated. So this is how it is to be understood as per Bhagavatam, that one will be pleased, the world will be pleased once Lord Krishna is pleased, then he will dictate everybody inside the heart. Here also again we go back to that earlier verse. Yas prasanno Bhagavan. जिस पे भगवान प्रसन्न है क्या होता है? तस्मै नमन्ति भूतानि. Second example is Dhruv Maharaj. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि in first shot everybody will be pleased. His mother was not pleased. The Prahlad Maharaj father was not pleased. But eventually they got pleased, or they were liberated. For example, his father was killed by Lord himself, Narasimha Dev. So therefore, लेकिन जो बच गए बाद में, they eventually were pleased. First shot में नहीं होगा. But after realizing Lord Hari, this happens. One more example is there. You know, remember that Akshay Patra. Akshay Tritiya पे ही दिया था. Akshay Patra was given by Sun God, right? To Draupadi. And then with 10,000 disciples, Duryodhan asked the boon. देखो, अपना भला नहीं हो, दूसरे का बुरा जरूर करो. This is the problem. He actually did lot of seva to Durvasa to please him, and he was pleased, and he asked for a boon. And this boon he is asking, please go in the jungle, after Draupadi has eaten her dinner or lunch, after that you please go with all your disciples and ask for prasadam. This was the boon he asked. अपने लिए कुछ मांग लेता क्या मूर्खता नहीं है. And then Durvasa ji goes and she doesn't know she has eaten. That time Yudhishthir says, where are we going to do? Draupadi says, you are forgetting one thing. Lord is on our side. ये क्यों भूल रहे हो? याद करो ना उन्हें. Immediately appeared and what did he say? मुझे कुछ खाने को चाहिए. अरे यार इधर यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. खाने को कहां से लाएंगे? And there was one small शाक का पत्ता. And once he eats, what happens?
All got satisfied.
हाँ. So therefore everybody can get satisfied. After हाँ
If the Lord is satisfied.
हाँ क्या है वो? तस्मिन तुष्टे जगत तुष्टे. Once he is satisfied, everybody is satisfied. No choice only. चाहो चाहे. Then after that, Durvasa Rishi actually begged युधिष्ठिर महाराज, भाई प्लीज हम प्रसाद नहीं खा पाएंगे. Can you imagine? गलती हो गई. Because वो 10,000 ने तो बोला हम नहीं झेल पाएंगे, वो श्राप व्राप दे दिया तो हमारा यहां तक भरा हुआ है, वोमिट हो जाएगा. हम तो एक ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर भी नहीं ले सकते, इतना बुरा हाल है हमारा. ये तस्मिन तुष्टे जगत तुष्टे. एक बार भगवान सेटिस्फाइड है तो सब कोई सेटिस्फाइड है. सो ये है जी. एंड देन भागवतम टेल्स अस, क्या बच गया जी? 9 है. 8:50. देखो जो आदमी संसार छोड़ के जाने वाला है, 5 मिनट कितना वैल्यूएबल है. पूरा जिंदगी के सारे विला डोनेट कर दे, सारे गोल्ड कॉइन दे दे, सब कुछ दे दे, 5 मिनट नहीं ले सकता कि भाई प्लीज रुकना 5 मिनट जरा सॉर्ट आउट कर लूं थोड़ा सा. 5 मिनट्स इज नॉट. इसलिए हमें एक दूसरे को, भक्तों को, मैं भी जैसे भूल जाता हूं, याद दिलाना चाहिए. फालतू चीजों में, फालतू लोगों से मतलब मत टाइम खराब करो. बिकॉज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनीथिंग रॉन्ग विद द पर्सन, वी आर हार्मिंग आवरसेल्व्स बाय वेस्टिंग दैट टाइम. प्रॉब्लम ये है, किसी से बात कर रहे हैं तो उसको अपना लाइफ दे रहे हैं हम, लाइफ का टाइम. दैट इज सो वाइटल. वो 10 मिनट भी दिया तो लाइफ का 10 मिनट दे दिया भाई. इट्स वेरी वेरी प्रेशियस. सो देयरफॉर भागवतम टेल्स, इति युक्तान पादः पुत्रो ध्रुवः कृष्ण परायणः अभूत त्रायणम लोकानाम चूड़ामणि इवामलः. ही बिकेम चूड़ामणि. भगवान राम बोलते हैं, भगत मेरे मुकुटमणि. वही चूड़ामणि बन गए. मतलब मैं सिर पे बैठाता हूं उनको. तो कौन बैठाता है अपने सिर पे, बताओ. गुस्सा हो जाते हैं हम लोग किसी भी तरह, सिर पे बैठेगा क्या? भगवान कह रहे मैं तो बैठाता हूं भाई. आओ तो सही. चूड़ामणि इव अमलः. बिकॉज ही वॉज सो प्योरिफाइड, ही गॉट द चूड़ामणि. That means he reached the summit of all the planets, the Vishnu Loka. Prabhupada writes, a Krishna conscious person, just for the clarification, Krishna conscious, Ram consciousness is same. Okay, there is no difference. A Krishna conscious person can occupy an exalted position beyond the imagination of any ambitious materialist. अभी बताओ क्या पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट है. अ कृष्ण कॉन्शियस पर्सन कैन ऑक्यूपाई एन एक्सॉल्टेड पोजीशन बियॉन्ड द इमेजिनेशन ऑफ एनी एम्बिशियस मटेरियलिस्ट. जो मटेरियलिस्ट है वो उतना ऑप्यूलेंस सोच भी नहीं सकता जो उसको मिलता है. एंड भागवतम टेल्स, एज ए हर्ड ऑफ बुल सर्कम्बुलेट द सेंट्रल पोल ऑन द राइट साइड. जैसे वो कोलू का वो चलाते ना, बैल होता है, ऐसे ही ऑल द ल्यूमिनरी सप्तऋषिज, they insistently circumambulate the abode of Dhruva Maharaj with great force and speed. वो उनके परिक्रमा करने में लगे हुए हैं. Bhagavatam tells us even the sun travels 16,000 miles per second. Yes, Bhagavatam tells 5:21, 1 or 9. My dear king, in his orbit through Bhumandal, the sun god traverses a distance of 95,100,000 yojans, which is 760,800,000 miles, at the speed of 2,000 yojans and 2 kosh, which is equal to 16,004 miles in a moment. अभी साइंटिस्ट बोल रहे सन तो हिलता ही नहीं है. ददामि बुद्धियोगम तमेन मामुपयान्ति. क्या कह सकते हैं जी. अच्छा जी, एंड करने से पहले मैत्री मुनि टेल्स व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ हियरिंग ध्रुव कथा. व्हाट इज इन इट फॉर मी. अमेरिका में बोलते हैं, मैंने सुना, मैं कभी गया नहीं. By hearing the narration of Dhruv Maharaj, one can fulfill desires for as follows. List है पूरी. Number 1, wealth, reputation, increased duration of life, go to heavenly planet or attain Dhruva Loka, counteract all the results of one's sinful actions, attain the pure devotional platform and execute pure devotional service, diminish the threefold miserable conditions of material life, acquires exalted qualities like Krishna, greatness, prowess and influence, adoration. ए हरे बोल. 15 मिनट का हो चुका है तुम्हारा तय. होमवर्क है. ओ अच्छा 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 अच्छा, उधर भी यूएस. अच्छा, उत्तम श्लोक. यूएसए इज गुड प्लेस. उत्तम श्लोक. Residence. Okay, all the best, huh? Then recite this narration of Dhruv Maharaj without taking remuneration. Reciter and audience both become perfect. तो ये भैया, so we have covered effects of sadhu sang. पहला वाला है. Role of Yamaraj we saw. Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru we saw that the disciple is more powerful, can take the Guru also, who is eligible to go back to Godhead. Can one please everyone? And benefits of hearing Dhruv Katha. Granthra Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Maitri Muni said, my dear Vidura, I therefore conclude this narration, for I have described you all its details. Granthra Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. चलो जी. I think they are all going for practice or something, is it? Okay. Okay. So most of the devotees are there. With translation. Wow. How many shlokas?
24.